With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is the sum of first 10 terms of AP equals to 155 and the sum of first 2 terms of GP equals to 9. Further it says the first term of AP is equal to the common ratio of GP and the common difference of the AP is equal to first term of GP. Given that the common difference of AP is less than unity, then which of the following is correct? So firstly, we are given the sum of 10 terms of AP is 155. We have the formula of Sn, which is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In the question, we are given that sum of first 10 terms is equal to 155, which is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9. So this becomes 5. And if we cancel this becomes 31. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 31. This is our first equation. It is also given that the sum of first 2 terms of GP is 9. So if we take a first term to be B and second term will be BR, where R is the common ratio, this is equal to 9. From here we get B into 1 plus R is equal to 9. And this is our second equation. Now the question also says that the first term of AP is equal to the common ratio of GP, which means that A is equal to R, and it says that the common difference of AP is equal to the first term of GP, which means D is equal to B. So if we substitute the value of R and B in this equation, so this will become D into 1 plus A is equal to 9, and value of D comes out to be 9 upon 1 plus A. If we put this value in our equation number 1, we will get 2A plus 9 into 9 upon 1 plus A is equal to 31. Now we will take the LCM. 2A plus 2A square plus 81 is equal to, we can take this on the other side. So we will get 31a plus 31. Solving this, we get 2a square minus 29a plus 50 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this by middle term splitting. This will become 2a square minus 25a minus 4a plus 50 is equal to 0. Taking a common, we will get 2a minus 25. Taking minus 2 common, we will get 2a minus 25 is equal to 0. And from here we get a minus 2 into 2a minus 25 is equal to 0, which gives us the value of a to be either 2 or 25 by 2. Now we know that the value of d in terms of a is 9 upon 1 plus a. So the corresponding values of d will come out to be 9 upon, if you put a is equal to, this will become 9 by 3, this is equal to 3, and it will become 9 upon 27 by 2, which will be equal to 2 by 3. And we also know that a is equal to r and b is equal to. So if we take our first case where a is equal to 2 and d is equal to 3, we will get our AP as first term is 2, second will be plus 3, which is 5, again plus 3, 8, and so on. And our GP will be, first term will be B, which is D, 3, A into R will be 6, 12, and so on. In second case, if we take our A is equal to 25 by 2 and D is equal to 2 by 3, then AP will come out to be, A is 25 by, second term will be 25 by 2 plus 2 by 3, and so on. And our GP will come out to be B, which is 2 by 3, then 25 by 3, and so on. So now our question was to see that which of these following is true. So we have to see that 25 by 2 is AP or GP, or 28 by 3 is AP or GP. So we check the values that we find out. This will never come out to be in fractions. But here if we see, then this term 25 by 2 is in AP. So option number D will be the required answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.